Hi everyone, Chris here. So I thought I would try something different, and that is a camera comparison at almost 11 p.m. at night. Strictly low light, none of this taking photos at sunset. This is not ideal conditions. So right now we have on the left, that is the Mi 11 Ultra against here, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So which one of these do you think looks the best here? There is a definite resolution advantage. We've got 4K with the iPhone 13 Pro Max and only 1080p with the front-facing camera here with the Xiaomi. So I'll be swapping over the audio sources. There's a little bit of wind around, so that will definitely be a good test of those microphones and the wind filtering. So this right now is 4K 30 frames per second. Both of them have optical and electronic image stabilization. It's starting to get very windy here, so hopefully it's not going to rain either on me. So a short jog ahead. Which one do you think looks the steadiest here? And the image quality, let me know in the comments. Which one do you think looks the best as I pan around here? I'll try and be nice and smooth. And unlike my daylight camera comparisons, this of course is a lot more difficult. Ultra wide cameras now, so does the larger pixel size versus the higher megapixel count win here, and the brighter lens on the iPhone 13. So what do you think? Just going to pan around now as slow as possible. Well, I could go a little bit slower. There we go. And there's some lights right here, so we're going to see more of that annoying judder that I always see with Android phones when it comes to video performance. Look at the sky here. Which one has the most noise? Looks like the Mi 11 is slightly noisier there. And now a short jog, testing that stability. 4K 60 frames per second now. So I pan around here, which one has the most judder? Now looking at the screens here, it does seem to me the iPhone 13 Pro Max looks more realistic as to what I am seeing with my own eyes here. So we can see there's lens flare coming through on both of them. I just move up and look at that light. So you see that lens flare, pretty bad on both of them, and that's something that really can't be avoided here. Focus seems good on both too. So a short jog ahead. Again, testing that stability. Okay, I think that was fairly straightforward, that the ultra-wide performance on the iPhone 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max is worse than a Mi 11 Ultra. Clearly is for video and even for stills. The megapixel count here gets the win. However, the main camera and then the main camera video, I think that is down to the iPhone 13 Pro winning pretty much most of those shots there. And the front-facing camera as well for selfies and also for video there. I think that was the iPhone 13 Pro Max that did the best job there. Thanks a lot for watching this camera comparison. Do check out my hands-on and first impressions video, and I will see you in the next one.